Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. In today's presentation, you will be listening to some responses from students from the secondary and primary level stating some common behaviors of students in their school and parents' views on what schools can do to maintain social control. Last, you're going to listen to a social worker views based on deviant behaviors of students. Hi, I am Elsie Thompson, a teacher candidate of Cyril Potter College of Education. I am doing this interview based on social control. Okay, so social control is when society influences and regulates people's behavior to maintain order and conformity. So my question is, what are some common behaviors of students at your school? And you are going to say, how do teachers respond to those behaviors?
In my school, here are some behaviors students have in common. 1. Some students come to school late. In that case, the teacher usually reminds the students on the time they need to be in school. 2. Students tend to skip classes. Whenever they do so, the teachers report if they issue to the parents.
Hi, I am a student from Region 9 and I am going to state some common behaviors of students in my school. Firstly, some of my classmates tend to use cell phone a lot during their class periods. And also, it have the bigger students, they would bully the smaller ones. And when these bad behaviors happen in school, the teacher would report the matter to the parents.
For students who have bad behaviors, the class teacher warned them 2 times, and for the last time, take them to the head teacher who sometimes dealt with them accordingly and called their parents at the school for further clarification. Hi, I am a student who attend a secondary school in Region 9. And some behaviors students share at my school are leaving the classroom without teacher's permission, fighting with each other, and using cell phones during class time.
Some common behaviors of my students in my school is 1. Children likes to fight, and when they do so, the teacher talk to both students and inform their parents about the issue.
Hi, I am Elsie Thompson, a teacher candidate of Cyril Potter College of Education. I am conducting this interview which aid for my final assessment for the course Applied Skills and Society. I would like to ask you a few questions based on social control. Basically, social control is when society influences and regulates people's behavior to maintain order and conformity. So, my question is to you, what can schools do to maintain social control?
So, in order for schools to maintain social control, the school can implement clear rules and expectations, promote positive behavior through rewards, and so on.
One way schools can maintain social control is by providing guidance and counseling services and fostering a safe and inclusive learning environment. Thank you.
Hello, I am Elsie Thompson, a teacher candidate of Cyril Potter College of Education. I am conducting this interview, which is for my final assessment for the course Applied Skills for School and Society. So I'm going to ask you a few questions based on deviant behaviors. So my first question is, state some causes for deviant behaviors in children. Second question is, what do you think can be done in the school to help the children with deviant behaviors? The last question is, I would like you to suggest some of the types of support that is available beyond the school gate for deviance.
Defiant behavior in children can include aggression, defiance, lying, stealing, skipping school, substance abuse, and bullying. Teachers can employ several strategies to help children with defiant behavior. 1. Positive behavior support. Implementing a system that reinforces positive behavior through rewards and recognition can motivate children to engage in appropriate actions. 2. Social skills training. Teaching children with appropriate social skills, problem-solving techniques, and conflict resolution strategies can help them interact more effectively with peers and adults. Behavior tracking. Regularly monitoring and documenting behavior can help identify patterns, triggers, and progress, enabling teachers to make informed decisions. Emotional regulation techniques. Teaching children how to manage their emotions through techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, or relaxation exercises can be beneficial. Peer support. Encouraging positive interactions between students can foster a sense of belonging and help children with deviant behavior feel accepted. Individualized attention. Providing one-on-one attention, praise, and guidance can help children build positive relationships with teachers and reduce the likelihood of deviant behavior. Lastly, collaboration with parents. Maintaining open communication with parents or guardians help create a consistent approach between school and home, which can positively impact a child's behavior. Various types of support are available for children who may deviate from the norm. These include counseling services, community programs, mentoring, after-school activities, special education services, and involvement with non-profit organizations focused on child development and behavior. Each of these can provide tailored assistance to help deviate children thrive and reach their full potential.